Para akong nag-advertise, no? Anyway, so, dahil maraming first time, a brief introduction lang po of who I am, right? But before that, I just like to acknowledge, no, yung ating pong mga elite leaders who are in the house, no? So, I would like to acknowledge our team Elite Pegasus, Sir Bonnie. Yan. So dami, hindi ko na makita. Kanina nakita ko si Ma'am Jeddah. Yung ating team Elite Pavo, si Ma'am Aubrey. Kanina nandito rin si Ma. Anyway, lahat po ng team Elite leaders and Diamond leaders and Rising leaders and Twinkle Twinkle Little Stars. Good afternoon po. No? So, yeah. I started Reway way back 2018. At the time, na-encounter ko po ito because of my health issue. This company was introduced to me dahil po meron akong health issue, which is the big C. Yeah. And at the time, I was already scheduled for mastectomy, for chemo, and for radiation. But God was so good because this product was introduced to us, and kahit na ho, it took us 18 months to really see at umupo po dyan, makinig, no? At alam yan, ano po itong produktong to? It took us that long, but it came on a on the perfect timing. Kasi after taking po yung product for 5 days with megadose, wala na po yung bukol. So, hindi ko natuloy ang aking operation. Hindi ako nag-chemo, hindi ako nag-radiation, hindi ako kumalbo, at hindi ako pumangit. Kaya ngayon po, kinuha ako sa pelikula, pero hindi ko na binabigyan kasi dito pa lang ang dami ng fans. Tama ba? Joke lang po. Papatanggal lang po ako ng kaba, no? Alright. Actually, we are a product of a particular event like this. Hindi naman po ito, pero it's an international event. We were invited po sa Singapore at that time. It was the 10th anniversary ng Reway, and we were invited to be there. Nung time lang yun po, ayaw ng husband ko. Kasi ayaw niya ng ganitong business. Sinong ayaw ng networking? Pakitaas ang kamay. Ayan, marami tayo. Ayan. Marami kong ganun. Ayaw namin. Kaya that's the reason ayaw niya. Kaya it took us 18 months to say yes. Pero nung time pong yun, I was looking for an opportunity to tell it to my husband, yung health issue ko. Kasi hindi ko siya masabi. So nung nagkaroon ng invitation for us to go to Singapore, dun ko po sinabi yung health issue ko. And everything falls into places. Kasi nalaman ko yung kumpanya. Doon po, napakadaming tao. Iba-iba ang itsura, iba-ibang kulay. May chick, no? May mga singkit, may mga ano, iba-ibang lengguwahe. Nobody understands what the MC was saying kasi it's all in Mandarin. But one thing is very particular with that kind of event. Alam niyo po kung ano? Everybody was smiling. Everybody was happy. If you're very particular, kasi po normally, ako meron, sa corporate world, pag umaattend ka sa isang convention, international, kung hindi ka kilala, ningitian ka ba? Chances are no. Especially kung yan ay mga European and you're Asian, they will never took the courage to say hi to you. Tama ba? Para doon po, nagulat ako. Kasi even the Japanese are bowing. And the only reason why they do that is because of this signs. Nakakabangatarik mo. Ito po, because of this. This is actually the 6 core values of the company. And all the distributors of Reway International, you will see this sign. Meaning, we stand by on one principle. we stand by on 1-6 core values under Riway International. Can you just imagine kung ang buong Pilipinas may ganung ugali? Can you just imagine?
Yes.
Na bakit napaka-importante po ng events? Alam mo, the company is spending so much. Sino yung naka-attend ng LTS? Ayan. Ano ba? Ano na ako? May show na ba? Bakit wala yung... Okay. Namatay po yung ilaw. Pinatay lalo. So, meron ng... Okay. Sige, ma'am. Kaya mo yan. Thank you, ma'am. Palakpakan naman natin si ma'am. Alright. So, sino mo sa inyo yung naka-attend ng LTS recently, February? Can I see the hands? Yan. Palakpakan natin yung mga naka-attend. Dito sa mga naka-attend, do you believe the company spends so much?
Yes.
Do you believe that any company will be doing that?
No. Hindi kaya na
Ako po nasa isang, I came from a very big company, isang telecom company. And I stayed there for 3 decades. At never pong ginawa namin yun. Non-free. Can you just imagine, the company spent millions, 15 millions, just for that one event. And not only that, no, the company is actually holding yung ganito pong gatherings every week on all the 6 branches in the Philippines alone, not to mention yung mga branches po sa ibang bansa. And the company is also creating several events in the entire year. Yung LTS po kinatinan nyo, ginagawa po yun ng 3 hanggang 4 na beses sa isang taon. Every quarter po ginagawa yun. At bukod pa po doon, meron din po kaming ginagawang mga gala dinner. I remember nung umattend po ako ng isang gala dinner sa Taiwan. Just to give you an idea, gaano nagbibigay ng favor sa atin yung company. When we were in Taiwan, it was actually the opening of the headquarters in Taiwan, in Kaohsiung. No? So at that time, wala hong venue that could cater the 26,000. So anong ginawa ng company? There was a open field, bakanting lupa. Sino mga engineer dito? Can I see the hands? Yan. Yung bakanting lupa po, pinatag. Nung pinatag, binuhusan ng buhangin. And it was converted to an open area dining hall to cater the 26,000 leaders from different countries. And mind you, the dinner is hindi po buffet. Hindi rin po plated. It's actually an 8-course meal in Taiwan. Do you think it's cheap?
No.
Pag umattend mo kayo ng 8-course meal dito sa mga big hotels, more or less how much? Alam mo, ang worry ko nung time na yon, ilang manok ang pinatay?
Grabe.
Ilang baboy ang kinatay? Ilang isda? Ilang kutsara? Ilang plato? Ilang chopstick? Can you just imagine catering to that big crowd? Tapos ito ang nakaka-amaze. Dumadating sa amin yung soup, mainit, steaming hot. Dumadating yung pagkain, sabay-sabay sa lahat ng table. You will have your own waiter to cater to all your needs. Can you just imagine that kind of company? Why is the company doing that in the first place? That is to give value to you. Di ba pag naghahanda tayo, bakit ka ba naghahanda? Para lang ba magpakain ng tao? No, because you want to value that particular celebration.
Yes.
And that is what the company is doing. This coming April, magkakaroon na naman po kami ng isang malaking selebrasyon. have our leaders recognition night. Hindi ko distribution recognition night. Leaders recognition night po. Meaning, all the leaders who took courage to do the mission in bridging the product, in bridging this opportunity to all the Filipinos out there will be recognized on the 16th of April. So, I remember nung isa pong beses na umattend din ako ng Leadership Recognition Night held here in World Trade, no? Doon din po gagawin yung World Recognition Night natin. Meron kami isang guest that is coming from a television network. Okay? Sabi niya, wow, amazing. Kasi yung, may mga pasabog kasi doon. Yung pasabog na yun, sabi niya, not even a single glitch. Sa isang production po, importante yung synchronization ng lahat ng act, no? So, not a single glitch. And for a company to do that, ilang practice, ilang trial ang ginawa para ma-perfect mo yun. So the company is really up to the perfection. Why? Because the company is doing that for 17 long years in all the 13 countries worldwide. Saan kayo nakakita ng ganong kumpanya? So if you're saying, ako nung una, nung sinasabing networking to, I belittle it. Why? Kasi nasa corporate circle po ako, no, for the longest year, no. I've been working almost most of my life. Kasi working student din ako katulad ni Kathy, no. So, kaya lang, sabi kong gano'n, nung nakita ko to, this is a different arena. The reason kung bakit tuloy-tuloy po nag-create ng iba't ibang events ang company. Why? Because this company could give you the future that you might not find out there. Nakakalungkot kasi yung mga bata ngayon, especially the coming graduates, the only choice they have is two. Tatlo. First choice, you can go to the BPO, where toxic and stress is viable. Second choice, go abroad. Well, you need a lot of money for the placement. Third choice, tambay na lang. Sadly, these are the choices that you have. Gone are the days, nung time po namin, pagka nasa dean's list ka, may offer ka from different company. May mga nag-i-scout na mga big corporations sa mga dean's listers, sa mga cum laude. Meron na kaming trabaho bago pa kami graduate. Ganun. Ngayon, wala nang ganun. Unfortunately, wala nang ganun. Why? Because wala hong ganun kadaming opportunity sa atin. And why I like this company, why I like this industry, is because it gives an open opportunity to all. Kahit pangit ka, kahit kalbo ka, kahit matanda ka na, seniors, kahit hindi ka nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral, kahit may sakit ka. This is a company na talagang, alam mo yun, it will equalize everyone. It will equalize all the opportunity. Ang tanong na lang, nag-e-enjoy ka pa ba sa posisyon mo ngayon? Okay ka lang bang hindi kumakain ng 3 beses sa araw? Okay ka lang bang may sakit? Honestly, some of us Filipinos are parang okay lang. You just get by. Bubuhay naman nandiyan naman ang nanay. Kaya lang, is this the life that you really want? some of us was very, very negative when it comes to this industry. Tama po ba? Ayaw nyo ng networking. Kasi sabi nyo, ano siya?
Scam.
Scam. Totoo, yun yung usual na idea na
Sa dati yun, yung mga
tama.
ibang mga
Unfortunately, the
walang office
term
talaga.
networking was misused and abused by some
Managers.
Pero, come to think of it, all
Maliliit
the
na
business
company
people
talaga
in
siya.
the house will agree with me
To international.
that you need network to make your business move. Tama ba? Kailangan may kilala ka, kailangan may connection ka, kailangan may kaibigan ka, and that is basically networking. You try to connect to people. You try to connect to clubs. That is basically networking. The idea of networking is getting connected. Unfortunately, it was abused and misused. But mind you, when you go to US, yung mga people who are indulged or into the business of networking, there are the so-called rich people. And even dito po sa atin, yung mga ating elites, when they apply for visas, and they will tell the embassy, I'm a distributor of freeway in Philippines. Walang question, tinatatakan lang yung agad. Kaya lipad mo sila ng lipad kung saan-saan. Yung iba papunta ng Hungary this end of February. Saan kayo nakakita ng ganong kumpanya? That will expand you. It will expand you. Iaalaw ka niya to be so transverse in all aspects. No? Kasi mamimit mo iba-ibang klase, iba-ibang tao, iba-ibang... Before I came here, we were just conducted a OPP rin sa labas. No? And amazingly, no? Kasi you will never be able to meet these kinds of people kung wala ka sa ganitong industry. Kasi pag nagtatrabaho ka, kilala mo lang yung nandoon sa opisina mo. Kung nanay ka, ang kilala mo lang yung mga kapitbahay mo katowits mo. Diba?
Tama.
Pero this time, yung mga sapatos mong naglumaan, nagagamit mo kasi ang daming event ng freeway. No? Kung dati hindi ka naliligo araw-araw, ngayon naliligo ka na araw-araw. Kung dati hindi ka nagme-makeup, wala kang kilay, ngayon nagme-makeup ka na, nagkikilay, nagpapatato ka pa ng kilay. This company is actually allowing you, no, allowing us, every one of us, allowing us to really evolve, to be the better version of ourselves. Sa totoo lang ako, before ako nag-leeway, although nasa corporate ko, among the boys ako. Among the boys ako kasi ang mga kausap ko, puro engineer, puro technical. So wala nang, hindi mo kailangan maganda ka, hindi kailangan kailangan brusko ka. Ganon ang attitude mo. Pero nung pumunta ako sa Riway, unti-unti na-discover ko, babae pala ako. Kasi, nagbabago ka, nare-refine ka, no? Yun yung isang maganda dito. And we do that, the company is doing that through its different events, no? Yung mga ginagawa nilang events, like the GPOTC, yung ating mga leader sharing, no? Like this, yung ating mga OPP. So lahat po yan, unti-unti, you are being molded. And, di ba, it's always nice things to know something. Every time you attend yung mga ganitong trainings, yung mga ganitong mga events, huwag ko kayong papayag na wala kayong take home. You know why? You want to know why? Why? Ang mahal ng bayad. Alam niyo kung anong binayad mo? Your precious time. You have paid it with your time, with your life. So kung wala kang na-take home dahil natulog ka lang dyan o naglaro ka lang ng cellphone, sayang naman yung time mo. Sayang naman yung life mo. Tama? Sabi nga ni Kat, 4 lang yung tao. Huwag kang tutulog-tulog. Okay? Alam mo, importante po that as we grow, as we live, no? We keep on learning. Kailan mo tayo tumitigil matuto? Kailan tayo tumitigil na mag-gain ng knowledge? When is the time that you stop learning? When you're 6 feet below the ground. You never stop learning kahit na may edad ka na. Kahit senior jurors ka na. Kahit dual citizen ka na. Dapat you should keep on learning. Alam niyo ko, pagka yung, kunyari, ako kasi I'm soon. I'm already 57, turning 57 soon. So, pag nag-teenagers ka at hindi ka nag-iisip, hindi ka na nag-aaral, that is the time that your body becomes weak. Do you know that? When you stop using your brain, your body becomes immobile. Nag-i-stop din po siya. So eventually, nakararamdaman mo, ay bakit parang hindi na ako makalakad? Kaya po sa ibang bansa, maraming bansa ngayon na they actually have schools for seniors. May mga bansa ngayon na ang hinahard talaga nila ay seniors. Kasi hindi ka naman mamamatay pagkatapos mo na mag-senior. Yan, nag-birthday ka ngayon ng 60 years old, the following day, patay ka na. May ganun ba? Hindi naman siguro, no? So then, you will still live. And importante po that you have the purpose to live. You have